Yeah, will they go pretty wild for the release? Or it depends?
Sometimes.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, buddy. Oh!
Here it is, folks, our meetup with Chad Hoover, fishing down in Virginia with the Legion of Anglers team. We're out here today chasing snakehead. It's my first time in Virginia, big learning experience for me, but the whole team really put in some effort today and we got some great fish to show you. But before we get to the video, check the description of this video. There's a link to go and sign up for our 5-state snakehead battle and a link for the KBF June Snakehead Challenge. So whether you're in Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, you have 2 tournaments coming up. If you're going to be bass fishing, you're going to be snakehead fishing, sign up for the tournaments, get out there and win yourself some money. For the 5-state snakehead battle, $25 buy-in, optional buy-ins for biggest snakehead and biggest bass. Go on the Fishing Chaos app, again, link in the description, and sign up. We hope to see you there. But for now, let's get to the action on the day, and you can see how it played out for us for this Virginia snakehead fishing trip. Butch, what did you say, Butch?
Don't be tagging on Facebook.
Butch, where are you going?
You might need it. Hey, I'm sorry. This paddle is very sacred. Let me tell you why it's sacred. It's sacred because
Tell him about it,
Steve
Rashawn.
had me in the mud. Stop.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Oh, get your boot back.
I had to use it to get pushed through the mud. So it is sacred.
All right, everybody get serious now.
Hey,
Oh, shit, this water is cold. Good Lord.
I tell you, if you want the intel on frogs, that's your guy right there.
Every frog ever.
Yep.
When I say stuff that you can only get from Japan, I have it.
Yep. All right, fellas, let's line these kayaks up. We ready?
Yeah,
Let's get it.
Are we gonna line up and be like, on your mark?
Man, you got a TV screen too, man.
In case the fish ain't biting, man.
Damn, I forgot. I just realized that I got one paddle because I gave Tommy the other paddle. All right, so we out here, the Legion of Anglers. Hopefully get on some fish. You all ready? Cool. Got Chad Hoover, KBF. Got the drone flying. Hope we get some good shots. Let's see what happens.
Now, Snakehead Slayer right here, he clued us into the pattern that would work for most of the rest of the day. And that was throwing these chatterbaits and chatterbait-like baits into these pad fields.
Hell yeah. One on board, baby. GoPro highlight.
That's unreal.
Beautiful fish. Ready for a release?
Yeah, will they go pretty wild for the release? Or it depends?
Sometimes.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it'll be kind of sketchy.
No, I mean, you'll be good.
It'll be a little wet. Alright.
You ready?
Yeah, I'll go for it.
Alright, guys, with a release. Like he still got my bait in his mouth. I'm not messing with that thing. Hey, buddy. Oh!
Nuts.
That was an awesome shot, bro.
We'll see how it turned out.
Jumped in your kayak. Got him. Got him. This one is. Got him. That's a nice one too. Got him. Yep. There you guys. It's a nice snake. First snake in Virginia. On a chatterbait. Look at the pretty pattern on this guy. About a 25 and a half.
Oh yeah, another one. Blade Waker. Another one caught on the Blade Waker pink. It's called a largie. Second snake of the day. Nice one. Calm down, calm down. Done or what?
There you are. There you are. Nice fish. Yes. Keeping pressure on. Keeping pressure on. There we are. Keep him on, keep him on, keep him on. Oh no, get out of there. There's a nice fish. There's a nice fish. Oh, yes. Get in the net. Oh, finally. Good God. Folks, I ain't even gonna lie. I had resigned myself to the skunk today. I've had very few opportunities to fish in terms of them striking. And when they have, they've missed it again and again and again and again. To say I've been frustrated does not do justice to the feelings that I've had of late. But I finally pinned one, and it's a nice one too. I wouldn't call it a monster, but it's definitely a quality fish. I'm gonna bring you in here. Yeah, I know. It's okay, it's okay. All right, he's off the hook. That came on the Blade Walker, on the Katie Lynn custom rod, with the Penn Fierce 3 4000 series reel. So glad I was able to keep the pressure on that I needed to get that fish out of cover. This fish is a long time coming, brother. Man. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Come here. All right. There she is. Oh man. That's what you need to turn your day around here. Let me get this one rod out the way. That way I'm not jousting you. There she is. That's a solid fish. There's no two ways about it. Probably the mid-20s. I'll bump board her in a second right there, but that one came on the Blade Walker, and Tommy Tech over there is the only reason I have a Blade Walker today to have caught this fish. I've been riding the struggle bus with the freaking chatterbait. I'm gonna put her down for a minute, get the bump board out. She is at, no, I lowballed it, just over 27. Oh, hey. Just over 27. Thank you for the ride, beautiful. From here, you're about to head back to the depths. There she goes. Yes. Escape the skunk.
There you go. That's a snake. Yeah, baby. There you go. Snake. Number 2, baby. Woo!
Big one. Ooh. Come on, guys. Stay with me. Come on. Stay with me. Oh. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Go, bro. We got him, guys. Yes. Whew.
Got him. Get him. Awesome. Got him on blade wager. Got you that time! I got you that time! Oh, drag's too light. That's not good. Come on. Come on. Stay up. Stay up. I got you. Come on. Come on. That's it. Get up here. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Whew. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. That is a nice one. Come here. Come here. Yeah. yeah, that's a good one, dude. That's she might go 30. I've been throwing the Mega Frogs Goliath buzzbait. I've gotten 3 of them that smacked it, but I haven't been able to hook up on it yet. But I think that's just because I'm not used to using it yet. It's a brand new lure to me. So I followed up with that Mega Frogs Popcorn Frog, and I got a nice one. I'm not sure if she'll hit 30, but she's high 20s. She's definitely high 20s. And man, did she crush it. I can see a little bit of the legs of this frog out of its mouth. Other than that, I can't see the lure at all. Yeah. It's bigger than my last one. Now, oh, that's it. Keep your mouth open. Keep your mouth open. That's it. At least I think I got it. I had it, unless you rehooked yourself. Did you rehook yourself? Yeah, you did, dummy. Come here. That's what makes fishing for these fish so damn fun. It's the struggle of dealing with them in the kayak. There she is. Not yet. Not yet. You beautiful beast, you. Yes, sir. 28. 28. Thick fish. Oh, God, it's beautiful. So beautiful. I love these fish. All right, gorgeous. Thank you. Ah, you can't beat that in freshwater. You can't beat snakehead for freshwater sport fish, man. Oh, there you go. Yeah, we came back to these beds. There you go. Oh, that's a bigger one. There you go, got him on the blade wager.
Damn.
Yes.
Woo-wee.
This guy's thick.
Got him. Top water, baby. Got him, bro. Awesome. I heard him hit something, so I stuck to it. And sure enough, he hit the damn mouse. All right. Nice little guy, guys. Like 4 or 5 pounder.
Got him. Ah, it's bass. Nice chunky bass. There you go, little chunk on the chatter. There he goes.
Well, folks, that pretty much wrapped up our day out here. Just want to say thanks to the whole Legion of Anglers team. Say thanks to Chad, his crew, KBF, for coming out, sharing the water with us. And what we're working on in the future going forward is really developing this community in partnership with KBF to really demonstrate the value of snakehead as a species, as a sport fish, just as an incredible animal. But that mission, it's near and dear to our heart here at the Legion. So again, thanks to everybody for coming out today. We learned a lot. I know I learned a lot. These Virginia waters are definitely very much different than the waters I fish back here in Maryland. But if you want to hear more about the tactics that I used out here today, make sure you check out my version of this video as well. If you have any questions or comments, folks, let us know. Other than that, thanks for watching. Y'all take it easy. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a good one.